Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the best Burger King discount promo codes in 2025. So first of all, you have to open a new browser tab and search for Burger King discount code. And if you search for that, you can see multiple web link will appear in front of you. You just have to simply open multiple web links like one or two. So after that, we can see on the coupon follow website Burger King discount codes like take 11% off selected orders. You can just simply click on the show coupon codes and just copy or click on redeem at Burger King, and it will redirect you to the Burger King official website and apply the code to your cart. And we can also check there are other discount codes like 30% off, 20% off, and $7.49 off, $3.99 off. You just have to check multiple of the codes, then you can realize which one will work with you. And you can also check for the other website like this one. Here we can see there's BOGO offer, free fries, freebies, $5 off, and from $6 enjoy chicken fries and fries for just $5.99. You can just click on the get deal, and the rest of the process is the same. You can just copy paste the code, or it will redirect you to the official website of Burger King, and you can just process the order and then get the discount code you prefer. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.